Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make Google Messages the default SMS application on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. First of all, make sure that you have Google Messages installed on your smartphone, otherwise you can anytime go to Play Store and get the application from there. I have Google Messages already installed, so now I need to go to Settings and scroll down to Apps, go here and tap on Choose Default Apps menu, then scroll down and find SMS app, tap on it, and then just switch the default Samsung Messages application to Google Messages application. Since both applications named the same, you can compare icons because Google Messages icon might be changed in future as well, so be attentive. And I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, have a nice day.